Hi, good evening. So they are preparing for the iftar. So look at that. See,
Camera not good.
see.
Camera is malum. Is good. Bangladesh spoon.
Hmm. See,
Yes, boss.
they are preparation.
Huh?
You go. So now this is for our stop. So they are preparing for that. Yes, see.
There you go.
Mm.
Boss, pick
For
up this.
iftar.
Boss.
Yeah. So yeah. And this is the
Boss,
juice.
please back.
This is the juice. Yeah. See. They are preparation for juice. Look. This is lemon. Yeah. Very, very nice. See, look at that. And see one by one. See one by one. See, this is good dates. Wow. See, sambusa. This is sambusa, lemon, watermelon, banana, apple, orange. Yes. And the beans. Wow. Pokora. Aywa. So they are complete. Mm, delicious. I like it. Nice it, huh? Good. Mm. So we'll be rounding this one, and you can see this. Nice. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Happy iftar. Bye bye.